Welcome. If you're tired of WhatsApp automatically backing up your chats and want to take control of your privacy or save storage space, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable automatic backups on WhatsApp, updated for 2025. Let's jump right into it. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots. This is the menu button, and it's your gateway to all of WhatsApp's settings. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage everything about your WhatsApp experience. Next, tap on Chats. Here, you'll find options related to your conversations, including themes, wallpaper, and chat history. Now, select Chat Backup. This section is all about how WhatsApp saves your messages and media. You'll see when your last backup was, and how often backups are scheduled. Look for the option labeled Automatic Backups. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with several choices for how often you want your chats to be backed up. To completely turn off automatic backups, simply choose Off. That's it. No more unwanted backups. Your chats will no longer be saved automatically to Google Drive or iCloud, depending on your device. Remember, with automatic backups disabled, your chats won't be restored if you reinstall WhatsApp or switch to a new phone. So, if you ever want to turn backups back on, just follow these same steps and pick a backup frequency that works for you. Disabling automatic backups is a great way to keep your data private and manage your device's storage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.